Hi everyone, Mrs. Gershon here. We are continuing our work with suffixes this week. Our suffixes that we'll be working with this week are airy, A-R-Y, airy, E-R-Y, and ory, O-R-Y. I'm going to go ahead and read through our words and then we'll discuss the meaning of those suffixes. So our first word is imaginary, stationary, lavatory, inventory, scenery, history, delivery, and secretary. Back to the middle column, bravery, library, stationary, military, dormitory, necessary, February, and January. These words this week, you will have to make sure you have a capital letter. And then, because they are the names of months, they are proper nouns that we've been talking about. And then our last row, we have category, machinery, mystery, ordinary, victory, century, directory, and grocery. So your sort will be pretty easy this week because you're looking for the ARY, ERY, or ORY added on to those base words. There are a couple words that I do want to point out before I have you go ahead and start sorting. We have two stationaries this week. The first one I want to point out is stationary in the first column and stationary in the second column. Notice their suffixes are different. The stationary in the first column is actually like nice writing paper, something you would write letters on to somebody. And then the stationary in the middle column means that you're not moving, you're staying in one place. To be stationary means that you don't move. This word in the first column, lavatory, that's another word for a bathroom or a washroom. And I'm looking through directory in the third column down here at the bottom. Some of you might not know what a directory is. A directory is normally like a list of information that you might need. Like a phone directory would be a list of people's phone numbers. And I'm looking, dormitory in the middle here. Normally these are found on college campuses and they are rooms where people stay. If you go to a summer camp, you might stay in a dormitory, or for short they would call it a dorm during your summer camp. So that's maybe one place that you've heard that word. Inventory in our first column, that's another tricky word. Inventory is when you kind of write down all the things that you have. So like a grocery store has to take inventory of all, say, the cereals that they have, so they know if they have to buy more, if they're running out or not. I think that's probably it for the words that could get a little tricky this week. If you have any questions about the suffixes or the base words for this week, please raise your hand and let me know. This really is a week where you're going to have to study. These words are not easy. Even the word library, oftentimes students leave out that first R. So you really, really, really have to study this week. Again, if you have any questions, raise your hands and you can get ready to sort. So happy sorting.